Hi guys, it's Cameron from 919A. Today we're going to be discussing the strategy that we've came up with as a team. And some scoring strategies that we've came up with are to score the opponent's color first so that we maximize our scoring. And so I'm just going to read off the goals. We aim to score the opponent's colors first to maximize our scoring potential. Our goal is to outscore our opponents. A crucial part of our strategy is to score the highest valued elements first. And our autonomous strategies are as listed. Our highest value autonomous strategy can go from 3 to 5 points. This all depends on the speed of our robot and the speed of its mechanisms. So first we will score the lower flag, then with the flywheel running at max speed after the lower flag is hit, we will drive back and score a high flag. And this will all be done in minimal time because while we are hitting the low flag, the flywheel will start spinning, and after we're done, it will be at max speed and we will be able to launch the ball and hit the high flag. And our second strategy can score up to 4 points, and it is to score 1 to 2 caps as efficiently as possible. And mainly the strategy is used to not interfere with the alliance's autonomous. And this could be really helpful if we have an alliance that can score the flags really well. And so next, after the autonomous evaluation, we started doing some game strategy evaluation. And first, we put values on all the game elements. Caps, as you already know, are worth 1 point if they're flipped to your color, 2 points if they're scored on poles. Balls are worth 1 point for if you hit a low flag with them, but the low flags are going to be usually hit by a robot's mechanisms because it's not necessary to hit it with a ball. And it's 2 points for higher flags, which need to be hit by balls. And the platform can be 3 to 6 points depending on if you park on the lower one or the higher platform. And the autonomous is a 4-point bonus. And I found out all the highest possible points if you scored all of the elements, and the highest possible points are if you score all the flags, which will be worth more than if you score all the caps or if you go on the platform with your alliance, which is a total of just 9 points. So I'm going to read off the goals now of the in-game strategy. So our goal is to be able to score the flags first while our opponents score caps. So the ball shooter should be accurate, and we're going to be valuing accuracy over speed in this competition. So if our opponents score caps, our flipper can be used to quickly regain the points scored by them. And this will be quicker than having to lift the caps from the ground due to our alliance having lifted the caps prerequisitely. And defense will be played if our alliances are trying to score the flags near the end of the game after we're done scoring the caps. So parking has always been a question for us because parking might not be necessary due to the high value of other possible scoring strategies. So it's only necessary if we are down by a lot of points and it's the only thing we find to be right to do at the end of the match. And grip pads might be placed on our lift's flipper to prevent being pushed off of the platform, so we could lower it down with our lift. And our alliance strategies will be to use a complementary autonomous that doesn't interfere with the alliance partner, which is pretty straightforward. And in game, if we're playing with an alliance that cannot score the game elements effectively, we will tell them to play defense, I said it wrong, defense and or score on the high platform, and this will all be done depending on the opponent's strength and their skill. So and also, while playing with an alliance that can score game elements really well, we will play complementary strategically to them, so we will not be interfering with them and they will not be interfering with us, but we will be scoring separate things. If they are scoring caps, we will be scoring flags. If they're scoring flags, we'll be scoring caps. So that's basically it. And some final thoughts. I don't have any. That's it. That's game. That's it. Good. GG.